it's Tim African. I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk, and today we're here at Tiger Stadium. About to go watch the LSU football game. About to be fun, about to eat good, and yeah, stay tuned for the review.
$500 gift card. Tiger fans, let's hear it for Sam. Sorry, Sam. Good try. Just for playing, we're giving you a $100 gift card, courtesy of Chef.
What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And as you can see, we have the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blue. I'm very excited for this shoe. It's an iconic shoe. It's been so many iconic shoes dropping, and I'm excited. I know the sneakerheads, the old heads is excited as well. So let's get into the review. So before we get into the review, you know I have to shout out some shoes. We have the Krampus SB video. We have the Nardwuar, Black Cats. We also have the Pine Green Foam Posit video. So make sure y'all go watch those videos. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. We only need 300 subscribers. It's December 3rd, and we need to get there. Also, I forgot, we do have the Bugs Bunny 8 review video and comparison video coming soon, so make sure y'all go watch that video. Also, the Wolf Grays are coming. I do see y'all comments. We just trying to get this content out now because it's more relevant than those Wolf Grays, and then we will definitely be dropping that video. So be on the lookout for that video. Y'all been asking, so that video better be like 5,000, 10,000 views. That's what I'm praying for. All right, but before we get started, of course I have to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. It would be no us without y'all. All right, let's get into the review. All right, y'all, so before we get started, this is the last big shoe release of the year. Not to say that the Bugs Bunny 8 shoe is not a good release, but this is the holiday Christmas shoe. So this is one of the biggest releases this year, but 2025 is gonna go down as one of the best sneaker re-releases this year. They had so many re-releases. We had Gammas, Bugs Bunny 8s, Fire Red 5s, Great 5s, Steel 10s, Shadow 10s, Ferrari 14s, Taxi 12s. It's been so many shoes. That's just like 8, but there's like 10, 15, 20 of them. Galaxy foam posits, Pine Green foam posits, Pearl foam posits. It's been so many shoes that's released this year, and it's crazy. It's kind of crazy to me. But considering all these good shoe releases, it's crazy that I'm not in debt. Are y'all okay out there? Like, it's been like 5 good shoes that dropped like most months of the year. And if you buying like 3, 4, 5 pairs, that's like you touching $1,000 just on shoes, not considering bills, food, cost of living, and all of that. So all right, y'all, we about to get into the review. I have a men's pair, and I also have a grade school pair. I'm not gonna review the grade school pair, but if I see any difference, then I'll let y'all know. All right, and also another crazy thing about this shoe, there was no shock drop. They usually have a shock drop for the Christmas 11s around November, like before Thanksgiving, but there was no shock drop this year. They also had 11s that dropped last month, like the ATL, the Grand Finale Pearl, the Houston 11s, so they probably didn't feel like it was needed, but I digress. Let's get into the review. We have the black Jordan box. There's a Gamma Blue Jumpman on the top. We have black Gamma Blue Black on the description. We have this paper. This is carbon fiber paper. So make sure y'all 11s is coming exactly like this. Make sure these are all the details. Make sure it's not no regular white paper. It's supposed to be carbon fiber paper. Sticker in the box here. All right. As you can see, let's get right into it. We have this black ballistic mesh, black eyelets, black laces. We have that varsity maze color, and the Jumpman is that gamma blue color on the tongue. So on this release, these actually, the first drop of these was in 2013. So in 2013, they had the gamma blue Jumpman on the inside, but this time we have this gold Jumpman, that varsity maze color Jumpman in there. Then we have this glossy black patent leather. The patent leather cut is actually higher on these, much higher on these than the 2013 pair, but a lot of people might not like that. I know some people might complain about the cut on this shoe, but they've been making it this way since 2016 with the Space Jam 11s. So I like it. I think it looks better than the lower cut, but yeah. Then we can go down to the outsole. We have this icy blue outsole. It's not really icy blue. It's kind of like a smoked blue colorway. Then we have that gamma blue as well. Got the black carbon fiber. Then on the back we have that varsity maze color in 23 on the heel. Then we have this gamma blue Jumpman. So yeah. Let me show you the back of the tongue. Gamma blue Jumpman again. I'm gonna read it. Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. That's what it says on the back. Forgot to say that they have a black Jumpman on the bottom as well. I hope y'all can see that. And then it has some white outlining on the black Jumpman. But yeah, I really like this shoe. I know a lot of people wasn't super stoked about the shoe because it's not an OG colorway, but I like it. I think people need to get out of that OG colorway stuff. Y'all gonna be re-wearing the same shoes in the next 20, 10, like it's gonna be the same stuff. So I like that they did different colors. I think this is a great color. This is kind of like a stealth mode type of shoe. But these are dropping December 13th. And I want to say that in 2013 they also dropped December 13th. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's true. All right, gonna look at the grade school pair.
Yeah, it's extra. Hey, you know I'm in that foreign muscle, you hear me? Shout out to my bitch, she out the west side. Standing in a chest, bitch, I'm a reptile. Don't be grade A, this ain't no stepchild. Nah, for real though. Thinking about when I was in Tallahassee, and my jeans, they was Calabasas. They gon' scream, but it's built to asses. I'm counting cream in these Gucci glasses. Looking mean, get you blue to ashes. Hold up, how they cap about the struggle? Every diamond came from out the puddle. I'm shifting gears, I'm in that foreign muscle. I'm getting paid, but I'm ignoring trouble. You know they hate to see you win. I keep that just to bust they bubble. Love inside my city, they'll love to see you losing. I thought you was my dog, this shit confusing. So if I cut your water, you created an illusion. I remember going harder, that's the type of point I'm proving. My dog just hit my line like what you moving. Meet me at the college, at the Jubans. Niggas having flowers and they Cubans. Talking all that trapping, who you fooling? They was sleeping, they was snoozing.
It's actually my size. My first observation of this shoe is a lower cut on the patent leather, which I don't like, honestly. I think the men's pair looks a whole lot better. That kind of turned me off from the shoe. Like the grade school pair kind of look like a preschool shoe, in my opinion. Like the way the preschool shoes be like looking. But yeah, this is the grade school pair. They are coming full family sizing. I believe the men's retail price is $235 plus tax, and I think grade school is like $190. that's kind of high. I don't know. I don't like paying $190 for my shoes, but I mean, hey, I want them, so I'm gonna pay for them. But this pretty much wraps up the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all go watch our videos that we already dropped and stay on the lookout for more videos. This has been the Gamma Blue 11 video, the hottest Christmas drop, in my opinion. But
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail.